Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Pentaradi from Bangalore. I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. I know it's difficulty to stay at home, but we must stay at home. We don't have any options to quit this. That's why we should focus on our life skills, improving our skills, or if you are an entrepreneur, you can focus on what you can improve in your business, what benefits you can give to your employees, and what service you can extend in your business, and whatever you can possible. Please try to learn something new. Once we go out of the COVID-19, we must prepare for the next great opportunity to run a business. Still, if you are running, or if your business had been shut down, or still it's in started, or still it's in intermediate, whatever, please try to learn something new and do as much as best what you can do for the society and your family and your friends and colleagues. Okay, we'll come to next to the students, or some people are looking for the job, they are not getting the job, or they don't have any qualification, or they are not having some skills to acquire the job. I request everyone to please try to learn something new every day. In digital era, we cannot sustain in our professional or personal life. We must learning something worth for us and worth for the society. If you are having only one skill, you never and ever get the job. Try to learn multiple skills and try to apply for the job. Maybe you're not getting the job in this pandemic situation, I know that, but don't lose your hopes and passion. Always, I will tell you one thing to students or unemployment, my friends. Please don't chase the money. Focus on your passion and focus on your work. Focus on your skills. Focus on your ability. Focus on your strength, not for a weakness. If you want to be great successful person, you should never look back. Whatever happened in your life passed away. Whatever happening right now, this is a lesson for you. In future, this pandemic will teach us many things to us. That's what we have to change our working style and speaking skills and communicating with someone and sending greeting with someone. Always we must have a compassion to speak with someone, do something better, hope for the better, and do great support for the society. What we can, how much we can, whatever you can do, you can do. Penny counts. It's a very important in this pandemic situation. If you were donating any organizations or companies or your nearby local street vendors or colleagues or friends or family, That's really awesome. I congratulate one and all. I tell you always, don't focus on earning money. Learning is an earning. You cannot earn if you are not learn. Always focus on learning. If you focus on learning, next you can focus on your passion. Don't go to any job directly to under pressure and work. Focus on your passion, what you want to become, what you are right now, what you want to become, when do you want to become best person, why do you want to become best person, where do you want to settle in your life. And these all are small questions you can ask in your personal or professional life. Don't lose your hope. Always hope for the better and hope for the tomorrow. One thing we must remember as an entrepreneur or a student or whatever in your profession right now. But always one thumb rule we must remember, that's called plan for the best and prepare for the worst. Means always you should plan for the best, better, and very honesty in your profession. Don't try to be fake. This will can give you bread right now, but this bread never and ever give the future life to you. Always be honest, be enthusiasm to learn, be spiritual person, not material. Material can come anything once you are strong. If you are not strong in your mind, you cannot control anything. If you control your mind and emotion, you can control the world. Many people ask me, control world means what do you mean? Controlling world means you cannot control, I cannot control, single person cannot do multiple things. Always we can do only one thing at a time. We know that well. But great minds can build great nation, great world. Still, if you are copying someone, if you are applying in your life, that's not works to you after COVID-19 is over. Focus on your true passion. What is your expertise on that? Focus on expertise. Once you are complete your expertise, explore something new. If don't want to harass anybody to you, if don't want to tell something you are not worthy person, you are not a honesty person, you must explore the new things to learn. Let's say if you are in a computer software engineer, if you are a programmer, you should expert on that. I agree with that, but you should focus on social skills. Social skills like communication skills, public speaking skills, emotional intelligence, and gratitude, compassion to work, helping others. These all are social skills. Social skills are very important. Apart from this, you should have a very great and honest work that's take care of your family. Always never tell lie to anyone, never hurt anyone. If you truly love yourself, no one can hurt you, you cannot hurt anyone. If you are not loving yourself, if someone is coming and telling something, you are not trustworthy person, you can accept that because you are not loving yourself. That's what others are telling to you. You are not trustworthy person. If you trust yourself, anybody can trust you. Trust yourself, believe yourself, focus on yourself. Don't look outside what's happening. Focus on what you can build great to the nation, to the world, to the community, to society, to your friends, families, and colleagues, and your organizations or NGO, whatever. Always be honest in each and every profession or personal life. I hope you all enjoy this podcast. Please give me feedback to improve my skills still. If you want to suggest any topic to speak, I am enthusiasm to learn always. You can give any subjects to next. I will prepare and come to next podcast. Thank you very much for listening this podcast. See you on next podcast. Thank you very much. Have a great day.